Hello, today I will guide you on how to enable the camera in the Opera browser. This will allow you to use video features on websites like Google Meet, Zoom, or any platform that requires camera access. Let's jump right into it. Open the Opera browser. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the right side, scroll down and find the Privacy and Security section. Click on Site Settings. Under Permissions, click on Camera. Make sure the option Sites can ask to use your camera is selected. Do not select Don't allow sites to use your camera. If there's any website listed under Not allowed to use your camera, you can remove it. That's it. A simple way to enable camera access in Opera. Hopefully this helps you out. See you in the next tutorial.